Hello, I'm Kevin Flynn, and welcome to another edition of Avalon's Market Minute for October 6, 2013. Markets were flat last week as traders followed up the rally, celebrating the first day of the month and quarter with back-and-forth selling after the government shutdown began. Futures were indicated much lower for the second Monday in a row, reflecting anxiety this time over the debt ceiling being reached rather than the government being closed. Various outcomes are possible, with the most immediate one likely to be another week of brinksmanship. The debt ceiling isn't estimated to be reached for another 10 days or so yet, and there could be another few days of wiggle room after that. So just think. We can look forward to another week of posturing, finger-wagging, and accusations. I can hardly wait. In the meantime, we should see various exit strategies put forth that include temporary extensions of one form or another. A day, a week, a year, who knows? The debt ceiling process has become a boat anchor around our necks. And while the popular notion seems to be that it could be an effective cap on spending, it isn't. Congress could care less about the debt ceiling when it comes to spending money. It's just a way for the minority party to try and extort concessions from the majority. And over time, it's gotten worse and worse. So let me repeat last week's advice. Don't take anything for granted. Like most of the investment community, I expect that a deal will be reached and the default won't happen. My best guess is the same as the majority one, a last-minute deal that avoids disaster. The stock market is keenly aware of that 5% two-day rally that started the year off on the back of the last deal that kicked the can down the road. Everything could quickly reverse. But I'm not going to try and jump the gun on a relief rally. People can and do make mistakes in pressure situations. Being stressed out, tired, and sleep-deprived is not a recipe for good judgment, but one for blunders. 5 years ago last month, even the unthinkable happened. Do I think that history is about to repeat itself? No. Neither do I expect that the unthinkable is about to happen again. But I didn't expect it 5 years ago either. So be careful. I'm Kevin Flynn, and thanks for listening to another edition of Avalon's Market Minute.